Hey everyone! Welcome back to Body Make and Health Management Channel. If you're someone with a busy schedule but still want to stay fit and active, this video is for you. Today, I'll take you through a 10-minute workout that you can do anytime, anywhere. No equipment needed. We're going to be hitting it hard and fast, but don't worry, I'll be right here with you every step of the way, guiding you through each exercise. Remember, it's about pushing yourself to be better than yesterday, even if it's just a little bit. Make sure to stick around till the end for a special tip to maximize your results. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Warm-up. Alright, let's kick things off with a quick warm-up session. It's important to get those muscles loose and ready to work hard. We don't want any injuries, right? Let's be careful. First up, jumping jacks. Remember those from back in the day? 30 seconds, nice and easy. Get that heart rate up a little. Feel the blood pumping. Good, keep it up. Now let's get those shoulders moving with some arm circles. 15 seconds forward, big circles. Really loosen up those joints. And switch it up, 15 seconds backward. Feel that stretch? Perfect. See? Told you it'd be quick and easy. Now that we're warmed up, let's get into the real work. Chapter 2. Full body cardio. Alright, time to get that heart pumping. We're going full body cardio for the next 2 minutes. Short bursts of high intensity, that's the key. Ready? First up, high knees. Imagine you're running through tires. Bring those knees up high. 30 seconds, let's go. Feel that core engage. Keep breathing, you got this. Next, squat jumps. Get low, explode up. Use those legs, power through those glutes. 30 seconds, push yourself. Come on, you can do it. Now, mountain climbers. Get down in plank position, nice and strong. Now drive those knees towards your chest, one at a time, like you're climbing a mountain. 30 seconds, keep that core tight. Last one, burpees. I know, everyone's favorite. But trust me, they work. Down, push up, back up, jump. 30 seconds, give it everything you've got. How are we feeling? Heart rate up? Good, that's what we want. Let's keep that momentum going. Chapter 3. Strength and toning. Welcome to a session designed to build your strength and tone your muscles. Alright, time to build some strength and definition. Get ready to push your limits and see some real progress. We're going for 4 minutes here, focusing on those key muscle groups. Remember, quality over quantity. Focus on that form. First up, push-ups. This exercise is fantastic for your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Hands shoulder width apart, back straight, core engaged. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower down slow and controlled. Push back up. Feel the muscles working as you move. We're going for 40 seconds, then 10 seconds rest. Let's go. Keep your movement steady and controlled. Feel that chest working, those triceps burning. Keep pushing. Next, squats. This will target your legs and glutes. Feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly out. This stance will help you maintain balance and proper form. Sit back like you're sitting in a chair. Keep those knees in line with your toes. This ensures you're working the right muscles. Up and down controlled movement. Feel the power in your legs as you move. 40 seconds, 10 seconds rest. Keep your breathing steady. Feel those legs burn, that's the good stuff. Now lunges. This will help with balance and coordination. Step forward, lower your body until your front knee is bent at a 90-degree angle. Keep your upper body straight. Push back up to the starting position. Alternate legs. This will ensure both sides of your body get equal work. 40 seconds, 10 seconds rest. Keep your movement smooth and controlled. Engage that core. Keep those back straight. You got this. Feel the strength building in your legs and core. Last one for this round, plank hold. This is great for your core stability. Elbows directly under your shoulders, body in a straight line from head to heels. Keep your core tight. Hold it strong, engage that core, squeeze those glutes. Feel every muscle working. 40 seconds, you can do it. Stay focused and breathe. Feel that burn, that's your body getting stronger. Embrace the challenge. See, I told you you'd feel the burn. This is where the real progress happens. But we're not done yet. Let's keep pushing. Stay with me, you're doing great. Chapter 4. Core and abs. Alright, we're in the home stretch. Time to hit that core. This is where we build the foundation for all our movements. A strong core is key for everything. Trust me, it supports your posture, balance, and overall strength. 2 minutes, let's do this. First up, crunches. This classic move targets your upper abs. Hands behind your head, lift your shoulder blades off the ground. Engage those abs. Make sure to breathe out as you lift. Controlled movement, up and down. 30 seconds, let's go. Keep that form tight. Feel that burn, that's what we're here for. Next, bicycle crunches. This move will work your obliques and lower abs. Same position, but this time bring your opposite elbow to your opposite knee. Keep the movement controlled and steady. Twist that torso, engage those obliques. Feel the sides of your core working hard. 30 seconds, keep it going. Push through, you're doing great. Feel the burn, almost there. Now, leg raises. This exercise targets your lower abs. Lie flat on your back, hands under your glutes for support. This will help protect your lower back. Keep your legs straight and lift them up towards the ceiling. Focus on using your lower abs to lift. Lower them back down slowly. Control is key here to maximize the workout. 30 seconds, feel those lower abs working. Last one, plank twists. This will engage your entire core. Get back into that plank position, nice and strong. Keep your body in a straight line. Now rotate your hips from side to side, keeping your core engaged. This will work your obliques and lower back. 30 seconds, let's finish strong. Keep pushing, you're almost there. And that's it. Core complete. How are we feeling? Take a moment to appreciate the work you've done. I bet those abs are on fire. Remember, consistency is key. Keep at it, and you'll see amazing results. Chapter 5. Cool down and stretch. This is the part where we let our bodies recover and prepare for the next challenge. Alright, we made it. Time to cool down and stretch it out. Cooling down is essential to prevent muscle stiffness and soreness. This is just as important as the workout itself, so don't skip it. First up, forward fold. This stretch helps to release tension in your back and hamstrings. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, bend forward from the hips, and reach for your toes. Let your head hang heavy to deepen the stretch. Hold it for a nice deep breath in, and exhale. Feel the stretch intensify with each breath. Feel that stretch in your hamstrings, your lower back. Good. Next, chest opener. This will help counteract the forward posture we often have during the day. Interlock your fingers behind you, palms facing out. This position opens up your chest and shoulders. Push your chest forward and up. Feel that stretch across your chest and shoulders. Hold it. Breathe. Perfect. Now seated twist. This is great for your spine and digestion. Sit cross-legged, place your right hand on the floor behind you, and gently twist your upper body to the right. This twist helps to wring out tension from your spine. Look over your right shoulder. Keep your spine long and tall. Hold, breathe, and switch sides. Feel the release in your back and shoulders. Feel that spine lengthen, those muscles relax. Last one, child's pose. This is a restorative pose that helps to calm the mind and body. Kneel on the floor with your knees wider than hip-width apart, big toes touching. This position allows for a deeper stretch in your hips. Sit back on your heels, or as close as you can get, and fold forward, resting your forehead on the floor. Let your body relax completely. Arms stretched out in front of you. Feel the stretch along your back and shoulders. Hold this pose, breathe deeply, and feel the tension melt away. This is your moment to unwind, and that's it. You did it. Completing a workout and a proper cool down is a big achievement. Give yourself a pat on the back, you deserve it. Remember, taking care of your body is a form of self-love. Great job. Awesome work. In just 10 minutes, you've worked your entire body. If you stay consistent, you'll see great results over time. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. Now for that special tip I promised, listen to your body. If you're feeling sore, take a break. If you need to modify an exercise, do it. The most important thing is to keep moving. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Body Make and Health Management for more insights and tips to help you succeed. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video.